Here's Garrison's introductory note to poem 36. Poem 35 was addressed to a sheet of papyrus. This is to the rolls on which Volusius's inept Annales are written. Catullus and Lesbia have quarreled, and she has made a vow to burn a selection of the worst poet's writings if she and Catullus can be reconciled, and he stops writing nasty poems about her. The poems she has vowed to burn are, of course, by Catullus, attacking her. But Catullus proposes a more appropriate worst poet in the hapless Volusius, whose sheets are more fit for sacrifice. Okay, we'll look at just the first 10 lines here today. Please use the notes for these, particularly in these first 10 lines. They're extremely helpful. Try to dig into those notes as you try to translate through here. So we have the addressee of the poem, as the note suggests, the Annales Volusi. Annals is a common term for a work of history, ancient Roman history, and he calls them kakata karta. And he says to them, votum solvite, the note tells you this is fulfill a vow, and pro here is going to be on behalf of mea puella. And he's going to say why. For she has wowit, she has, you might say, consecrated or dedicated them, sanctae veneri cupidinique. She has vowed to these gods. C, so we see a condition here, and we've got an imperfect subjunctive, right? And it doesn't really get, the condition doesn't really get closed until down in line 7, daturum, which, as the note will tell you very helpfully, is se daturum esse. Okay, so she has vowed, if SM, if I were to be restitutus sibi, notice the reflexive to the subject of wowit, and if I were to decisem, this comes from decino, again, as the note tells you, to stop vibrare truques iambos, the electissima pessimi poetae scripta, okay, these go together. Okay, what would she do? Daturum, she would daturum, the electissima scripta, these are going to be accusative plurals, qualified by this genitive here, and she would give them tartipedi deo. And then ustulanda picks up with a gerundive describing those most choice writings as to be burnt, or to be sacrificed, in a sense, in felicibus lignis. Okay, and hoc pessima se puella vidit. Okay, the puella, and read the note closely on vidit. It gives you a lot of information, actually. And that spills all the way down into the next line, that note. So read that carefully, see what you can make of that. And that actually brings us to the end of line 10, where we'll pick up the final half of the poem on Wednesday. Okay, good luck with this one. I'll see you on Monday.